And we are tracking some strong to severe thunderstorms across central Alabama right now. We actually have a new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued for portions of Jefferson County up into parts of St. Clair County too. You can see the severe thunderstorm warning goes until 10:30 this morning, and it does include Springville, Odenville, Trussville, much of this stretch of the Interstate 2 back through parts of Birmingham, or on the east side of Birmingham anyway. But a severe thunderstorm capable of producing winds in excess of 60 miles an hour and some quarter-size hail too. So this entire stretch of 59 as well as Highway 11 from Trussville up towards Springville and Odenville under a severe thunderstorm warning. A tremendous amount of lightning too. It is quite possible that we do lose some power here because of the amount of lightning that we're seeing with some of these thunderstorms. And even those storms that are below severe limits are carrying quite a bit of lightning this morning. And so that could very well knock out power in a few locations. But you can see the strongest part of the storm right now very close to Trussville. And again, it'll be moving up toward the Clay-Chalkville area here as it continues to shift north and east with time kind of up the interstate and heading up toward Argo. We also have a flash flood warning. A severe thunderstorm rolled through Coleman a short time ago and dumped anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain across parts of Coleman County. And so because of that, we are seeing some flash flooding occurring. So there is a flash flood warning in effect through 12:15. There's a look at the severe weather risk map, and we really expect the threat for severe storms, including tornadoes, to ramp up once we get close to lunchtime and then through the afternoon and into tonight. And so the main time frame for the highest risk for severe storms, including tornadoes, will be from about 11 o'clock this morning through about 11 o'clock tonight. And the highest likelihood of seeing one of those strong to perhaps violent tornadoes, long track tornadoes, meaning they're on the ground for an extended period of time, would be up across that northwestern corner. But everybody across central Alabama is under the threat of seeing tornadoes today. So you got to have multiple ways to get those alerts, that watches and warnings as they are issued, and of course have a safe place to go very quickly, be able to get to it fast when those warnings are issued.